Assalamu-Alaikum friends, and welcome to my channel program for a hack. And in this video I will show you how you can separate your plugin from the template. So first of all, let's roll the intro. Okay, let's move to our topic. First of all, let me open my VS Code. So here is the plugins we have, and I think one plugin is missing. I think I have deleted that. I think I have deleted the pic plugin, which fetch the pictures from source and splash. I think by mistake I have deleted that. So just leave it. We will use these other. Okay, so if you go in get to repository of any user bot, like I have the Hellbot repository. Okay, if you go in userbot repository, here you will see a userbot folder or maybe a plugin folder. If you have a userbot folder, go in userbot and then you will see plugins. If you don't have a userbot, then you maybe have a plugin directs. Okay, so in plugin folder you will see a readme. Okay, so you can go at the end and you can also see by clicking on this file like this. So what it does, it will explain you how you can make your own plugins. So let's separate our plugin. So I will open my notepad or Pluma notepad. So first of all, the imports, I will copy the imports here and I will save it in desktop development, and where is my Python? Oh sorry, Python not userbot for YouTube and plugin development. Here I will name this as let's say it's good night plugin, goodnight.py. Remember, the extension must be py. Okay, so let's move it here, let's make it bigger. So here I have imported this. Now the other thing you have to do is copy this all and paste here. So what you only want to use, you want to change, sorry, you have to change this. Okay, and so what we want to do, we want to edit this according to our this plugin. Okay, so see what we can change here. First of all, our pattern. So if I go here, let's copy this and paste here over here. After it it has a function here. Let's change this function with our, let's change the name only, and remember, don't change this. Okay, remain this as it is and copy this all from here, and instead of this, paste here, added this and make it little bit indented. So I think indentation is right. I have not done anything wrong. Indentation, signic function, name of function, event, indentation, and that's it. cmd help, let's say here good night dot add command, and the command is here hello. Let's see the here it has not explained. Okay, So what I will do, I will put here dot gdn and put here the description as good night design and dot add. Okay, it's okay. Now save this and see if you have to import something. Like I have used a request library like this library in my plugin, which is a pig plugin. So I have used this module, this library. So if you have an additional library in your template, or if you are using an additional library in your plugin, so you have to do is, what you have to do, you have to paste here that library, and remember also put that library in requirements, because not all libraries are present in Python already. So some of them are already present in Python built-in libraries, but not all are built-in. So we don't need this library. So I will save this, and hopefully it has to work, and you have to load this in your Hellbot, then it will work. I have no Hellbot setup, so therefore I cannot show you how to load, but I think there must be a command in help menu. I think it's .install command to install a plugin. So use that command, install your plugin, and if you feel any error or any issue, then comment me below. So if you like my content, then subscribe my channel, and if you want more to build more plugins on Telethon, or if you want to make plugins on Pyrogram, then you can comment me below. If I can do it, I will do it for you, and you can also follow me on the Instagram. This is enough for this video. Allah Hafiz, meet you in next video.